Yeah, it's just a 6.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Hi, YouTube.
A lot of you guys have been asking about her on the channel and everything. Hit the gas a little bit. At least just
crazy.
At least just a little bit. Take a right. Oh, you what?
Where?
What? I said to the right. A 4-hour trip last night to come down to Lake Charles, Louisiana, and on the way here I got this car absolutely covered in bugs. So I think today we are going to give the car its first wash with the ceramic coating. Also, while I'm out, I keep forgetting, but I need to mail these old emblems. The guy that's actually subscribed to the channel asked for these emblems a long time ago. You know who you are, and I apologize so much. I've just been really busy. I even wrote him a note. All right, so I just got the emblems mailed out. Right now I'm headed to the bank to go get some cash for the weekend, and then I'm gonna head to the car wash and get started on washing this thing so I can get all these bugs off.
I'm on YouTube. Yeah, it's just a 6.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Hi, YouTube. Hey, can I hear this thing crank up?
Yeah, absolutely. It was nice meeting y'all, man.
You too, man. Take
Oh
it
yeah,
easy.
absolutely. I appreciate it, man. About to do the first car wash that this ceramic coating has ever received. I talked to the guy that actually did the coating, and he's giving me advice on how to do it the proper way now that it's coated. Wow. That is crazy. These bugs are coming off so easy that it's almost like hysterical. It's crazy. Look at that. It literally just pulls up and falls off. Now it's time to get started on drying, and he told me not to apply any pressure, so that's what we're gonna do. Wow, this is insane. But I'm literally just dragging the rag across, and it's just coming off completely dry. So I just got done washing the car and just wiped it down per his instructions, and this is without any wax on the car whatsoever. I am amazed. And again, all that was just spraying it with soap, spraying it down with a regular water, and then drying it off with a little towel, and that's it. Absolutely no water spots. The paint feels so soft. Definitely satisfied with how that came out. Are you ready? This is about to be a huge mistake, I feel like. We're in the middle of literally nowhere. I think this is the best place that I could find to do this at. You can move the seat up. She is about to be the third person, I think, ever to drive this car. It's been me and my mom, and now about to be her. All of my cars have been a manual, and I think it's probably a valuable skill that she needs to know how to drive a manual, because in case I ever need her to, she can drive my car somewhere, etc., etc. So a lot of you guys have been asking about her on the channel and everything in the comment section. So this is Jess. Jess, say hey.
Hey.
First off, this right here, okay, shows the gear pattern. Right now you're in neutral, which is why it moves side to side. The third pedal all the way to the left is the clutch, and then the brakes in the middle, and the gas on the right. What is step 1? This one's easy.
E-brake?
There you go.
Okay.
Hazards off. Do you need to adjust the steering wheel or anything? You good?
I think I'm okay.
The motor spins, okay? And there's a flywheel, it's like a plate almost, and it spins at the same RPM that you're seeing over there on the left. The clutch, which is connected to your left foot at the very left pedal, is basically another plate that touches up against it. As you let it out, it starts grabbing closer and closer to the flywheel, and that's how the car starts moving. Basically, just let the clutch out as slow as possible while barely tapping the gas. I feel like you'll probably get the hang of it pretty quickly, but it's not that hard. Just if anything, worst case scenario, just push the clutch in immediately and just put it straight back into neutral.
Are you nervous?
I don't know, not really.
You're not nervous?
No, I feel like you can do it. Okay, you ready? You already put it in first?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Was that in first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jess.
Hold on, I'm trying to find the grab. Okay.
Oh, okay, well that was faster than I expected. Okay, now second. Second, now clutch out slowly. Okay, gas. See, I told you it would catch on to it quick. You see that street sign right there on the left?
No.
The street sign right here on the left. Do you not know what a street sign is?
I know what a street sign is.
Okay, I guess you just wanted to pass it. Okay. Do you see the street sign right here on the right?
Yes.
Okay, hit the brakes, put it in neutral. Now put it in reverse. Push the clutch in, pick up on that, and then put it over.
Why do you have to pick up on it?
It's called a reverse lockout.
Okay.
Okay, now you're in reverse. Same thing, just clutch out slowly.
Okay. It's not that bad.
Okay, now hit the gas a little bit. At least just
crazy?
At least just a little bit. Not hard, just
I bet I can do better than you.
You think you can do better than
I
me?
can do better than you.
You know what this is? That is
Pit pan?
no, not the pit pan. No. I can't believe you just said that on camera. Jesus Christ. No. This is the driver mod hand. You answered incorrectly. Just put it in neutral. Just take a right here. Take a right. Oh, where did?
Where?
I said to the right. What is this? This is an L. That's left.
Hey, guess what?
What?
I've installed.
Yeah, I know. Okay, this road right here to the right. This is not an L, which means that this is the right side.
Okay.
So since we're already doing this video, I wanted to talk about where me and her met and everything like that. So a little bit over a year ago now, I had a 370Z and it was bagged and everything. It was more of a show car. It was on some nice wheels and had a completely built engine, and the interior was all well done, and ride seats, all that good stuff. So a little bit over a year ago, a year and a few months ago, there was a car show called Import Face Off, and I had my car registered in that show because it was a show car, and she was there with a friend of mine, and we started talking, whatever. I met her, exchanged information. I felt kind of like an asshole because I didn't really get off the dirt. You're on the side of the road.
I'm sorry, there's a truck coming. I can't really see.
After that, though, there was another show probably 2 months later, and it was called Hot Import Nights, and it was like a really big car show. You go stay the whole weekend, basically. It's like a big party. It was a whole lot of fun. I stayed in a hotel that night, woke up the next morning, went and had breakfast, whatever, hung around in Dallas, had a lot of fun, and then I brought her back home.
It was like 4 days later.
Yeah.
I came over to your apartment. And
Yeah, 4 days later, she came over and started hanging out, slowly but surely, and now, yeah, I guess, I don't even know really how to say that. Now you have it left.
We're joined at the hip.
Oh, we're joined at the hip, okay.
Yeah, that's what people say.
So that's pretty much the summary of the story of how me and her met. Oh, you almost stalled.
Oh my god.
You're a god. Pull back up here. At the end of this road, there's a bank, and you can just pull over, and then we'll swap seats again. Okay, you can just stop wherever. That actually wasn't too bad. Oh, you were tiny.
You moved my seat. Now I have to move my seat back.
That's not your seat. Every seat in this car is my seat because it's my car. Since you were a baby about it, I'm gonna have to actually get on the car. That was the first time that I've done that in forever. Also, one thing, speaking of holding traction, that I want to mention to you guys is everybody keeps commenting on my damn videos asking, why do you have mismatched wheels? Can you not afford the front wheels? Yes, I can afford the front wheels. No, I'm not an idiot. The reason for having mismatched wheels is because I bought these rear drag wheels so that I could test fit them over the calipers because they're Brembo brakes, so I needed to make sure that the offset and the wheel size and everything cleared the calipers, cleared the brakes so that I could actually keep them on the rear. But eventually what I have planned is I'm gonna stick a big drag radial on there, hopefully something like a Mickey Thompson ET Street SS or something like that. So I'm gonna have a nice looking set of wheels that I can drive around daily on so the car looks good during the day and everything like that, and interchange the rear wheels with these drag wheels whenever I need to so that I can go race and actually keep traction. So it's gonna be really cool once I get everything set up. Just takes time and a lot of money. So luckily I have patience, kind of. I said kind of. God, it sounds good inside of the garage. Shit. I know I keep talking about this ceramic coating so much, but seriously though, I cannot tell you how impressed I am with it. I want to apologize also about the lack of uploading for the past few days. I've been trying to upload as much as possible, but the past few days after making the last video about quitting my job and everything, which I'm sure a lot of you guys saw, and thank you so much for the feedback on that. But I needed to take a break. I've been having a lot of mental exhaustion lately from just handling everything going on and working so much. So I just took a few days off basically as a rest period for myself. But I'm back, and tonight we're gonna go out and try and get some races out here in Lake Charles. And hopefully these drag wheels will hold some traction for me, at least in second, so I can do some second gear rolls. And it's gonna be a lot of fun, I think. I told a lot of people that are subscribed to me and everything, I told everybody on Instagram and Snapchat to come out there and meet me. So if you're not already following me on Instagram or Snapchat, make sure you go do that, because I'm gonna post where I am. And if you guys wanna come meet up with me, that's the easiest way to find out where I'm at. I've been having a lot of people come meet up with me lately, and it's been a lot of fun, so. But for right now, I have the car in the garage. I'm gonna let it cool off for a little bit. So that's probably gonna be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you drop a like, comment down below, let me know what you think about her driving. As always, guys, until next video.